Hey, intermediate algebra students, Mr. Anderson here. Hey, we're going to start this one off a little different than we normally do. I'm actually going to start you we're going to look in this box that I'm creating right here. These are the rules, and I would love it if you would write these down. If you do, it makes this whole thing go so much easier. So I want to explain something. First of all, we're just going to we're going to take everything in there and lock it in place for a moment. A one solution problem. And one solution is what we're used to. If your x, when you simplify your x's on both sides of the equation, if your x's on one side do not match your x's on the other side, we don't care what the numbers are. I mean, I don't care if the numbers on both sides match or don't match like these, it doesn't matter. But if your x's do not match, it's a one solution problem. Plain, simple, done. So the first thing you should always look for, like when I look at this equation up here, this will equal a negative 17y, and over here it's a negative 17y. You know, the y's do match. Well, then it's not a one solution. If they match, it's not one solution. If they do not match, then it is a one solution. Now, if they match, like 5y or 5x equals 5x, or like the problem that we're going to get to, negative 17y equals negative 17y. If they match, it's either going to be a no solution problem or it's going to be infinite solutions. And the way you figure that out is once you know that the x's match, then you have to look at the numbers. And if the numbers on both sides do not match, then it's no solutions. And if the numbers on both sides do match, like 7 equals 7, then it's infinite solutions. So hopefully that helps. So let's look at this. This one up here, negative 17y and negative 17y. So we right away know it's either going to be no solutions or it's going to be infinite solutions. Don't quite know which one yet, but we'll figure that out in a moment. Okay, then second thing, and I'm just kind of doing something here at the bottom of the screen. There we go. Second thing is negative 17 times 2 is positive 34, and the number over here is positive 64. Those numbers do not match, so because the numbers don't match, it would be right here, no solution. So this one would simply be a no solution one. Hopefully that makes sense. All right. All right, so you can steal our red dot here. We are going to push that problem away, and we're going to do this problem now. Okay. So the first thing I do on this is I've got 3y on this side, and I've got 12y on that side. Do my y's match? So do my x's, or in this case my y's, match? No, they don't. So this is a one solution. We don't even have to look at the numbers. If the variables do not match, it's a one solution answer. Very simple. Let's do one more. I'll pull this one in here. Okay. So on this one, 9z plus 7z would be 16z. I've got 16z also on the right side. So 16 on the left, 16 on the right. The z's match, so then it's got to be one of these two. So then I've got a negative 6 over here on the left and a negative 6 over here on the right. They match, so it's infinite solutions. So this one over here is infinite solutions. Hopefully that makes sense to you. Let's do the next one now. The next kind you're doing is called number of solutions to equations challenge. Quite pretty much the same thing here. Okay, so on this one, we've got how many of these have no solutions? Remember, it's no solutions. The x's must match and the numbers cannot. So in this case, it would be, oh, I should bring my red dot down with me. Let's do that. Okay, so we've got this one. Do I have any more? See, that one and those two match. The numbers do not match, so that works. Here the x's do not match, so not that one, and the x's in this one do not match. So not that one. So that would be there, that answer. All right, let's do the next one. We got this one. Which of the following have exactly one solution? One solution problems, the x's don't match. Well, let's see. 2x and 2x, they match. 2x and negative 2x, those do not match. So we'll put a dot right there. 2x and 2x, they match, so it can't be. 2x and 2x doesn't. There you go. So only B for that one. Finally, our last one. We'll do this one. Which of the following have infinite solutions, meaning the x's match and the numbers match? Well, let's find out. 10x, negative 10x, they don't match. We can stop. Negative 10x, negative 10x, so far so good. Negative 10, negative 10, hey, that one matches, so B works. Negative 10x, so far so good. Negative 10, positive 10. Nope, that would be a no solution. 10x, negative 10x, nope, doesn't work. So it's just letter B. So infinite, the x's match and the numbers match. Hopefully that makes sense, guys. Good luck to you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.